Have you ever seen a car so beautiful, yet so broken? This is not just a Ferrari. It's a forgotten legend. Abandoned for decades, left to rust in silence, until now. Look at this. The dashboard became a home for birds, the chassis buried in rust. It's like the car was sleeping in its grave. When I first saw this Ferrari 250 GT, I didn't see a wreck. I saw a soul waiting to be revived. The owner once told me, "This car isn't metal to me. It's my love and my life." That hit me hard. So I made a promise to bring her back, to make her shine again like the day she was born. I removed every part, every bolt, every piece of history covered in rust and time. Each scratch tells a story. Each dent reminds us of where she's been. This isn't just a restoration. It's a journey from death to life. From abandoned to admired. From rust to road king. If you believe some things deserve a second chance, hit that like button. Because this Ferrari isn't just coming back. She's coming back stronger, prouder, and more alive than ever.